So you can see in UK they are using Great Britain pound, okay, and 1 pound is equal to 85 rupees. Then in Japan they are using yen, China they are using Chinese yuan. There is 10 rupees. 1 yen is equal to 1 yen is equal to 10 rupees. Okay, in India. Then America $75. So if we actually for them how we are having 1 rupee, right? Here in we have 1 rupee. Okay, so in our country we will call it as 1 rupee. There for them $1. Okay, so at the time of conversion, when we converting that $1, which is equal to how many rupees? So $1 is equal to how many rupees? 95 rupees. Okay, so this is what foreign exchange rate. So converting dollar into rupees. Okay, converting dollar into rupees, which is to be called as foreign exchange rate. That is what we are going to discuss. Okay, so 1 euro, you can see 1 euro, which is equal to what in European countries they are using euro as their currency. 1 euro is equal to 80 rupees. Okay, so like that, every country they have their own currency and their own value. Okay, so how they will fix value? The world expensive currency is quite dinar. Okay, so are you all there with me, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So
Yes,
what is
sir.
quite 1 dinar is equal to how much? Nearly to 30 rupees. Okay, are you all there with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 minute, let me share you another document. Okay, so let me share you a content. So can I, is it visible? Can you able to check?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can see actually this is good current rate. One Chinese yen, which is equal to 11 rupees 35 paise. Okay, this is country name, and this is currency in their currency what they are using. In India, we will call it as Indian rupees. In America, we will call it as American dollar. Okay, so in Bangladesh, it is called Bangladeshi taka. Okay, in Azerbaijan, it is a country nearby Russia, is manat. Okay, 1 manat is equal to 43 rupees 62 paise. Okay, Afghanistan, there is one Afghani is equal to 0.94 paise. Okay, so we can able to compare the country's economy only with the help of their um, money value. Clear? So the world most, you can see that, let me share you another one. So why we are going to do why I am showing all those images or all those things in the sense, because the entire chapter we will be studying about foreign exchange rate. Then how what are all the things? Okay, you can see Bahrain. One Bahrain dinar is equal to how many rupees? 193 rupees. Then one Saudi Riyal, okay, Saudi Arabian Riyal is equal to 19 rupees 83 paise. So one Oman Riyal, okay, Oman. So there is a country in Oman. Oman Riyal is equal to how many rupees? 193 rupees. So that's the reason people from India they are going various countries to work to earn more. So actually in their country they will get, for example, in Oman they will get their basic salary, like in India, if a normal person getting 6,000, 7,000, like that. Okay. So in Oman also, a normal human being will get the same basic salary only at the time of conversion. For example, my friend, okay, is working in Oman in Sultanate. He is working as a lecturer in Sultanate College. So he is getting 930 Oman Riyal. So when we are converting into India, just 930 Oman Riyal only. Okay, that is a very average salary in their country. So when we convert it into our country, how many rupees? Anyone, can you please guess? So you can see this is the Indian rupees value. So he is getting 930. Okay, so let me calculate and tell you. Are you all there with me, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so
1,79,490, sir.
yeah, 1,79,000. Yes. So that's how they are making money. Okay. So we can see that's why we used to always choose developed countries. So there in their country, 930 is a normal salary. Okay, we can able to live. We can. It is possible for us to live a normal life. But when we are converting into Indian rupees, is getting around 1,79,9,000. That is around 1,80,000 rupees is getting. Okay, so what actually that is what uh, foreign exchange rate. So who will what fix the currency rate, dollar rate? How they will fix, and what are all the techniques, tactics we are using to fix this rate? That is what all we are about to discuss in this chapter 11, foreign exchange rate, and who all are the major players in that. Can you able to hear? So who are all the major players, and how they are making money with dollar, and how they are fixing the foreign exchange. So all those things we will be studying. Okay. So let me share you another one. The world most expensive piece in the rupees. Okay. What is that? You can see. Can you able to see this quite? So
Yes,
that's
sir.
why maximum people from Kerala, they will go to Kuwait. Okay, it's a small country which has maximum oil resources. They are exporting oil, crude oil. There is a raw material to manufacture diesel and petrol. So they will export to various countries. So one Kuwait dinar is equal to how many rupees? 246 rupees. Actually, now the value got reduced. Couple of years back, it was around 260 rupees and 265 rupees. Okay, so this is what the most expensive currency in the world. So we people from our country, we will find a country whose currency is, whose money value is more than our money value. Okay, so that's why we will travel to various countries to earn, to make money. Okay. Now, have you all got some points, at least some idea
Yes,
what is
sir.
dollar? So before we are getting into this, just I'm giving you some basics concepts. You can see in America, usually American dollar will be considered as a global dollar. Okay, so we can able to do business anywhere, any country. India. Okay, if we buy any commodity, if I give you rupees, you will accept. Yes or no? Suppose if I give you a Canadian dollar, will you accept this? American dollar, we will accept. Or else, suppose we can say in Bahamas. Okay, I'm giving you Bahamas dollar. You people not even seen that currency. I bought some goods, commodities, and on return I am giving this currency. They will not accept. Okay, okay. In our country, So Indu, she is having a shop. I bought commodities from her shop, and if I give the um, Bahamian dollar, will you accept the Hindu? Accept பண்ணிக்குவீங்களா? First of all, we will not accept that value. Okay, so like that in all over the world, when we are importing, exporting, and when we are buying and selling various commodities, we will not accept all the other currency. So what is the global currency? American dollar is the global currency. Okay, suppose if why? Because America is the number one superpower country. Okay, before Second World War, it was Britain. So Great Britain pound was considered as a global currency. Why? Because the which country has the superior power? Okay, superior power, we will use that current country's currency as a global currency. So before Second World War, it was Great Britain pound. After that, what happened? The World Bank, where it locates, that country's currency will be a global currency. So World Bank locates in America, in New York. Okay, so that's why we are using American dollar as a global currency. Now we are buying what crude oil from Kuwait. So we in our country we don't have the natural resources like the crude oil. So we are buying from Saudi Arabia or else Dubai. So we are paying them in dollar. Okay. So why it is a global currency? So that's why the dollar rate is very important in our country. Not only in our country, all the other countries. Clear? Have you all got my point? There are certain currency whose money value is lesser than our money value. You can see Jamaica. Okay, Jamaican dollar is equal to what? Their dollar, $1 is equal to 50 paise in our country. Even some certain countries whose money value, our country, Indian money value is more than their money value. One small example, let me share you. It is Sri Lanka. Okay, in Sri Lanka, our 1 rupee is equal to how many rupees? Just 50 paise. Are you all there with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so all these things are current scenarios, recent trends, and recent money values. So just now I took from net and I'm sharing to you guys. You can see in Sri Lanka. So one Sri Lankan rupee is equal to, oh, again it's fallen down. So previously last year it was around 50 paise. So if we take 1 rupee, that 1 rupee will be considered as a 2 rupees in Sri Lanka. That is last year. Now it is 0.37 paise. Okay. So 0.37 paise. Then if you are carrying 1 rupee, okay, to Sri Lanka, how many rupees will be? Can you able to understand? Suppose
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Vishwa is going to trip a foreign trip to Sri Lanka. So if he carries 1 rupee, so in Sri Lanka, how many rupees? Can anyone can you convert and say? Hello? No one is answering to my question. Anyone calculated that value?
So 0.37.
0.37 now. No. Okay. So let me have it right. So if we okay, there is a currency converter. Okay, let me share you. It is there in Google itself. Suppose Mr. Vishwa, if he carries 1 rupee, okay, since he is going to foreign trip, he is carrying just actually just for example. So if you carry 1 rupee, you can see Indian rupees 1 rupee. So in Sri Lanka, that 1 rupee will be considered as 2 rupees 69 paise. Okay, that means if you carry 100 rupees note, okay, if you carry 100 rupees note, it will be considered how many rupees? 269 rupees. Suppose if you carry 1,000 rupees, what will be the money value in Sri Lanka? Suppose the same Vishwa is carrying 1,000 rupees note, Indian rupees. What will be the money value in Sri Lanka?
2000.
2,690 rupees, almost 2,700. Okay, so this is how they will convert money. Can you able to understand my point?
Yes, sir.
So these are the very basic essential things which is required for us. Then only we can able to discuss the upcoming topics. Pravi, can you please pass? You can take America, you can take Dubai, Saudi Arabia, all their countries' economy is good, better than our economy. So their currency will be more compared to our Indian rupees. Purida, clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
ஸோ இதில் பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா ஒரு மிகப்பெரிய ஒரு கேமே இருக்கு. இப்போ ஜெயின்ஸ் ஆர் தேர் ஹூ பிளேஸ் what a major role around the world. So now let us back to the topic. So all those things what I have shared you is to explain a small concept and very interesting concept about foreign exchange rate. It is there in our chapter 11. So what is foreign exchange? Just now I have shared you. You can see all currencies have their own currency. All countries have their own currency. For example, America, dollar, and England, pound, in China, yen, okay, in Saudi Arabia, Saudi Riyal, okay. So like that, they have their own currency. Okay, so what is current foreign exchange rate? That is the main concept. Okay, so foreign exchange rate refers to the rate at which one currency is exchanged for other currency. Okay, you can see. So $1 is equal to how many rupees? Just now I have shared you. Anyone?
74.35 paise.
74.35. Okay, so during the actually this book they are printed in 2019. In 2019, at that time it was 70 rupees. $1 is equal to 70 rupees. Now it is 74 rupees 37 paise or 35 paise. So it depends upon what. So the economical development of the country. So we are not going to discuss now. We are going to discuss only the exchange rate. So our rupees is converted into other country, whereas other current countries' currency converted into INR. That will be called as what? Foreign exchange rate. Clear? Got
Yes,
my
sir.
point, guys? Any doubts? Darshan, Deepa, Vishwa, Indu, Abhishek, are you all there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anybody? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay,
No, sir.
thank you. Next, currency depreciation versus currency appreciation. So, what is depreciation and what is appreciation? Anyone? So, we
Decrease
will
in
discuss
value.
one day. Okay, decrease in value is called depreciation. You can see the currency depreciation refers to decrease in the value of domestic currency in terms of foreign currency. So, what is domestic currency here? What is domestic currency in
The
our
currency
country?
of its own country.
Yes. What is our currency? That is rupees. Yeah. Rupees will be the domestic currency of our country. Okay. So when 1 rupee is equal to 70 rupees, okay, you can see I have shown you this image. So you can see in 2019, $1 is equal to 70 rupees. But now the same currency, what happened here, for example, they said, okay, just for example, actually it happened, okay, after 2 years in 2021, the currency becomes from 72, it becomes 74. That means our currency value decreased, yes. If their currency value is increasing means our currency is decreased. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how? Let me share you one small example. Okay, so now let us back to the point. So could we just you can okay, fine. So no need to mute. Look at here. So now so according to today's value, okay, 1 rupee in America. 1 rupee in America is how many rupees? You can see 1 rupee in American dollar. In America, it is 0.014 cents. Okay, there they won't call it as paise. In our country, we will call paise and rupees. Okay, there they will call it as dollar and cents. Okay, children allow it to cents and so on. So you can see 0.014 cents. Okay, when now at present 74 rupees. Okay, when $1 was 70 rupees, do you know what was the value when $1? Okay, okay, so they are there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can see when $1 was 70 rupees. Okay, now how many rupees? 0.014. So when it was 74 rupees. When now I am sharing you when our dollar was in 2019 70 rupees. $1 is equal to 70 rupees. That case you can see 0.1428. So 0.142 from 0.01428 now it reduced 0.014. Yes, that means our rupees value decreases. Yes or no? Our domestic currency value decreases. That means it is called as what? It is
Currency depreciation.
currency depreciation. Okay. So simultaneously, what is currency appreciation? Here they are given. Our currency value increases. Okay, domestic currency value increases compared to foreign currency. Automatically, it will be called as what? Currency appreciation. Okay. So for example, just now I shared you in Sri Lanka. During in 2018, one Sri Lankan, okay, one Sri Lankan dollar is, so one Sri Lankan rupees is just 50 paise. So 50 paise na pevlo Indian rupees ke. Huh?
So
So
one
if we
second,
carry
sir.
1 rupee there in 2015, okay, sorry, in 2018, one Sri Lankan rupees is equal to 50 paise. That means if we carry 1 rupee, there it is 2 rupees. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So if we carry 1 rupee, Indian rupee to Sri Lanka, it will be considered as 2 rupees. Yes. because our currency is double the price, double the value than Sri Lankan currency. Now what happened today? I have shared you. That means again Sri Lankan currency falls down. Yes or no? So if we today morning just I shared you an example. If Vispa carries 1 rupee to Sri Lanka, it becomes 2 rupees 69 paise. Yes. So the our Indian currency value increases compared to Sri Lankan currency. That means that is called currency appreciation. Clear? Any doubts? Are you all there, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So Pravi, you can stop.